Hi guys, today I have various unboxings and I'm headed to a class, as you can tell. So I'm going to get these out of the way so that I don't forget to do them, because I get really excited and then I'll open up the box so I can see what's in there, and then I take it out and then I forget to do the unboxing. Alright, so the first box that I have is from BathnBodyMagick. I have not ordered from her in a while. I don't even know why. But here is what I've received. It's packaged really cutely. It's got Christmas paper in it. It's got some candy in it. Thank you. Oh, they're called tattoo lollipops. All right. It's got her logo on the front. And let's go ahead and see what's in here. All right. So I ordered this one here. It's called Bright Morning, because I just thought it was so beautiful. It is a coffin, obviously, bath bomb, and it has a rose in the center, so when you open it up, the rose is going to open up and it's going to look beautiful. It's scented in Naughty Negligee, and I don't know what that is, but it just sounded like it would smell good. Can't even smell, she packaged it so well. But it's just super cute, and even when she posted, I was like, I'm in love with that one. So this is really what made me purchase. Actually pushed me to purchase this time. It looks like she sent me a pink negligee and cake scented Anytime bath bomb. It is the same kind of bath bomb. She was having a great sale, by the way. I only seem to order nowadays if it's on sale or if it's got free shipping, because a sister be broke. This one is called Sustenance of Life. It's scented in blueberry muffins and sugarcane. And I just loved the colors and the design on it. Beauteous. I'm sorry if I'm going by quickly, but I have a lot to do. A lot of unpackaging to do before I leave. This one is Wild Thing. And I think it's scented in candy canes. I wasn't going to order this because I don't like minty flavored, minty scented stuff. But I wanted to put this in when somebody's stocking. They do like minty scented stuff. And then this one is Frozen. And it is in Pear Vanilla. For all of these that I unbox in the next couple of minutes, I'm not going to give you any pricing because everything was on super duper Black Friday or Cyber Monday sale. And so it wouldn't be fair for me to just quote off prices that you can't have. So we had the Frozen. We had the Sustenance of Life. We had the Anytime with a rose in the middle. We had the Wild Thing. And then we had the very, very beautiful and feminine Bright Morning, scented in, what is it called, negligee? Naughty Negligee. So that's it for BathnBodyMagick. Hi guys, I'm back. This next unboxing, I'm making a mess here, is from the Maiden. I've ordered from her before. She had revamped her shop or something, closed it down for a second, and I loved her bath bombs. They're creepy bombs. Oh, she's packaged these nicely. They're in the little baggies, which I love. Here we have Harley. Harley Quinn. I don't know if you guys can see that. Next, we have Vicious Vixen. You guys know who that is. They're all so shimmery. One we had, keep my eye on the time because I've got to leave here shortly. Oh yes, I love this one. This one is Ursula, but she calls it the Sea Hag. Then we had, I love these little bags. I love to use them to put my bubble stuff in. Gypsy Woman. And is that it? Oh, there's one more, I believe. On the card. Oh, yes. The piece de resistance. The Joker. And just look how awesome it is. It's actually just like the newest version of Joker. This is Joaquin right here. All right. So what did we have? We had the Joker. We had Gypsy Woman. They are all going to get demoed, by the way. We had the Sea Hag. We had Hardly Harley. And then we had Vicious Vixen. All of them super cute. Thank you so much, Mad Maiden. Thank you for the packaging. I love it. By the way, I hope you guys know that when you include, just almost gave myself a paper cut in the eye. When you include these tissues, I recycle and use them for my art classes. So thank you. I really appreciate that. Also, if you have like containers, I always recycle those for paints and glitters and things of that nature. So I'm just doing my part to help out and not have to keep putting more plastic into the atmosphere. Oh, this is cute. It says mustache gracias. Like muchas gracias, you get it? You get it? And here is her card. Love it, love it. All right, moving on to the next one. The next one we have, trying to toss and move at the same time, is from, what's this, Unique Commodities? Yes, Unique Commodities. Let's see what we have in here. All right, first of all, cute little packaging for her little sample. So it tells you that you've got mail, and she has a little thank you bath bomb in there. Super cute. What do we have? I ordered a bunch of these as gifts as well. My family is, I'm sorry, let me just say, my son and his family are really into baths. We have this first one is called a Midnight Moon. Oh, it looks like I got a little sample. Yes, I know it's sample. We have, oh, apple mango body wash. Cute. I could smell this. Oh, that smells great. I smell all that notes of apple like immediately. Oh, yes. So I had spoken to Rhonda of Unique Commodities about possibly making a retro style bath bomb with a smiley on it. And look what she did. Yes. I'm so excited. This is called No Worries Bath Bomb. And she included a smaller one and a bigger one. Oh, so it comes in two sizes now. This is just a mess. Not your packaging. I appreciate your packaging. That's a mess. It's me trying to get it open and hurry while I'm trying to get also to the class that I need to teach. I'm so happy we're able to do it. I love nostalgia. If you follow my Instagram page, you'll see that I frequently post retro posts because I just love anything old school. Here we have a package that contains 2 bath bombs. We have Blue Eyed Frosty Bath Bomb. It smells nice. It actually smells a little minty, but almost like a little bubble gummy. Might because it was, no, this is Monkey Business, and I do smell this one. This one smells of monkey farts, I believe. And it's super cute. I had to try to not only buy Christmas presents, but also fill up my stash since everybody was having such great sales. And I can't really buy when it's not on sale nowadays. And then this last one that I have is, making a mess here, is her Blue Lagoon Bath Bomb, which I've always been wanting to try. I think it's really cute. And I just haven't. And so I decided I'd get this now as well. It smells nice. So what do we have? We have the Blue Lagoon. We have the Midnight Moon. We have the Apple Mango Body Wash. We have the Monkey Business. We have the Blue Eyed Frosty. And then we had, I'm trying to clean up this mess as I'm going, the two retro smiley faces called No Worries. I love them all, Taronda. Love, 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 love. And of course the sample. And that's it for this unboxing. And I think for the unboxings for today, because I gotta go. I still have one more box to go, but I'll do that separately. All right, I will talk to you guys on the next one. Bye.